carrot juice. Alright guys, sometimes it does different, it does have something different, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do your carrot and yeah, how to do your carrot juice. Yeah, but you is an old old school. I don't have the garlic. How comes I don't have a carrot peeler? There's no way, man, I can't have a carrot peeler. So I need one. So I got 3 medium-sized carrot here. Secret recipe of making a very healthy, delicious carrot juice from Chef Ricardo this afternoon. Alright, big up all of the members who support me and sign up and say, Chef Ricardo, you know what happened? We'll go thank you for the recipe and today we're gonna support you. Alright? Yeah. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna remove the skin from the carrot. Alright? We're just gonna remove a little bit off of the skin off of the carrot. You know what I mean? Because you have to make sure them things are done good. You understand? Yeah. So just take the time to say good afternoon to every one of you guys who take the time and say, you know what, Chef Ricardo, thank you so much for them kind of healthy juice that you give us. Alright? So this one is a requested video from one of my audience who respect Chef Ricardo and say, Chef Ricardo, guys, I'm telling you this, you might doesn't know when I'm talking to the amount of people who will be saying like, thank you Chef Ricardo for all of these healthy juice what you're giving us, because we just need to cut back on, you know, certain kind of fizzy juice and drink some of them kind of drink here, which is very good. Alright, as you can see, I'm just removing the skin from the carrot. Alright, if you got a peeler, guys, this is for who doesn't have a juicer machine too. If you don't have a juicer machine, this is where you have to do like a Chef Ricardo do. I got one, but to be honest, there's no way to put it. You know what I mean? Unless I'm gonna be doing it outside and it's getting cold. You don't want to go outside now. It's getting cold. Alright? But the juicer is very good because what it do, it put away the carrot and take away the juice and make the thing nice. Yeah. Rise and shine and give thanks this morning. Alright? And that's the ginger. I think I may put a piece more ginger in it. Alright, we're gonna put a piece more ginger. So we got the ginger and the carrot right there. And I got a large lemon. We're not gonna put the lemon into it, because sometimes when you're blending these things, guys, it's better for you to squeeze the lemon into the, you know what I mean, into the drink. So we're gonna make sure it's really strong with a lot of ginger and all them thing there. So I got a piece more ginger. Alright, beautiful. So what I'm gonna do is get all my ingredients and wash off. Because when you peel this thing, you must wash them and wash them before you put them in your fridge. Alright? Yeah. So that looking good. Oh, I know people might have said, Chef Ricardo taking 2 hours to make one of a carrot juice. Yeah, you know, me have to talk to my audience. Here it is. Things looking good. A nice, lovely carrot juice. Now the Friday evening, Thursday evening, guys. Can't go wrong. 100%. Alright? So now, we're going to do the next bit now. And this is the part which is very important for us to see what I'm going to be doing. And how I'm going to be making this beautiful carrot juice. You might have said, what's so special about a carrot juice at Chef Ricardo? Yeah, sometimes it's just for us to just stay home and do certain kind of thing like this in the kitchen, guys. Alright. Now, let's start the show. Carrot, ginger. Alright, we're going to put some ginger into the blender. I should put the ginger for last, but that's fine. Alright. Yeah. This is fantastic and amazing. 100%, guys. I love everyone who taking the time. And I said, Chef Ricardo, thank you so much for this kind of healthy drink. You see that? We got a lot of ginger. Alright? Yeah. A lot of ginger, which is important. So now, we're going to get your carrot. Alright? You can grate your carrot. Trust me. You can grate the carrot and all them things. But if you have a good blender, trust me, you don't even need to do that. Because this blender is a very good blender. and it just chop up everything. Alright, so if you notice carrot and ginger looking nice and fresh and clean, that's how you have to make your stuff look, guys. Lovely. Alright, now second carrot. Alright, yeah, carrot is lovely, and carrot is good for your eyesight. You know what I mean? Carrot helps to build your immune system and all these things. Alright, so yeah, but the only thing is there's a little bit of treating going on today, so I may have to drip a little bit of honey in it for a little bit of sweetness. You know what I mean? Not too much though, just a little bit. So we're just gonna, yeah, fill it up with a lot of carrot. Alright, just like this and just like this. Alright, yeah, look at that, guys. That looking good. So that look nice. Big up all of the members who support Chef Ricardo. And I say, Chef Ricardo, thank you so much. We really appreciate it what you do, and this is how we can pay you back. Even to sit down and watch the video, and you know what I mean, and join the membership and support me. Alright? Yeah, to make the show keep running, guys, because trust me, it's a lot of work, but we have to keep it running. Whole heap of work. So basically, if you notice, I have this thing full right here, my blender. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some water into the blender. Alright, and I'm not gonna be using a lot of water neither. Roughly about a cup of water. Alright, because you do not want the water to overpower the carrot. Alright, yeah, try if you get, just like if you did not use a juicer, you only want to put water in the juicer now. So yeah, that looking good, to be honest. I like how that look nice. And you know, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna make a little bit of noise with the blender. Alright, so please bear with me. So we're just gonna put this together. Alright, look at that now. So that look nice? Yeah. So we got the ginger and the carrot. We're just gonna blend these two ingredients together. And trust me, when you blend these two ingredients together, it works perfect. If you have a good blender at home, guys, trust me, you can just do what I'm doing. And you know, you don't have to even remove the skin from the carrot, but because of certain, you know what I mean, I prefer remove the skin, or you're gonna wash them off very carefully or very good. But trust me, let's blend up this. Let's blend up this, guys. Alright? Now let's make some noise. See what's going on right now. Alright, because I was making a little bit of noise for you guys. Alright, so this is how it look, as you can see. Alright, this is how it look. Alright, you can smell the ginger. But what I'm gonna do, alright, I'm gonna just add a little bit more water to it. But I don't want to add too much water because I don't want it to overpower the carrot. Well, I'm gonna add about another half cups of water to it, and then just run it through the blender. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So run it through the blender a second. Let's open up it now and see what's going on. All right. Yeah. That looking amazing, and that's exactly what I'm talking about. Alright? Yeah. Look at this now. So what you want to do is pour it out into this thing. You have to watch the video to see what I'm doing, guys. Alright? Trust me. You have to watch the video to see what I'm doing. You know what I mean? Or I'm making this an amazing carrot juice. Something totally different at home. you have to just say, you know what, let me just see what Chef Ricardo do. Alright? Yeah. You have to do that. Because sometimes, you know what I mean, you can't too old to learn. And my grandmother say you can only bring the horse to the water, but you can't force him to drink it. So I can't force you to make it, guys. The only thing I could say to you is try and make this drink at home. The way I'm doing it. You know what I mean? Get some carrot, and carrot is good for you. Alright, look at that. And that is so lovely and delicious and nice. Alright? And that's what I said to you guys. This is fantastic and amazing. If you're a member, please join the YouTube channel. If you're not a member, you know what I mean, just join the YouTube channel. So you just want to put a little bit at a time. Alright, you don't want to put too much, just a little bit at a time. Alright, lovely. Now we're going to pour some more in it to show you guys. Look at that. That is lovely. Wow. Now, so you can see it for yourself. So you have to see what I'm doing, what Chef Ricardo is doing. You know what I mean? You might have said, what is making? Why is it taking so long to do a little carrot juice? But watch this video. Alright, I just want to get the juice out of it. And I didn't want to add more water to it, but it's just to free up the blender a little bit. Yeah, that's what you have to do. Alright? Yeah, you just have to add a little bit more water to it. And then, alright, now look at this. Wow. 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 Alright. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. Alright. That's looking good. So you just want to make sure it's squeezed right out. Alright. Now what I need to get is my Redis. Yeah, I need to get my so what I want to do, to be honest with you, instead of alright, that's looking nice and lovely. Alright, we all know that our grandparents would say, okay, we're gonna have to put some brown sugar in it. Alright, that's what our grandparents would have said to you. Why you not put some sugar in it? Or buy some brown sugar down at the shop now and make it put in it and mix it up, grandma. We're not gonna be doing that today, guys. Alright, that's grandmother days. You know what I mean? We just wanna do it a little bit more healthier. Alright, lovely. That's good. Alright. That's perfect. Yeah, man. And this is a lot of fiber. Look at the fiber. Look at the chemical and vegetable patty with this, you know what I mean, some vegetable burger or something if you don't have the ginger in it, you know. Alright, that's a beautiful one right there. Alright. Yeah, our grandparents would be saying, why you don't put some brown sugar in it? No, grandma, we're not going to be using any brown sugar today. Alright, grandma. Yeah, no brown sugar. Too much sugar. You know what I mean? Because our grandmother and grandparents and love salt and sugar. You know? my grandmother loved the salt and the sugar. Alright, now, here it is. We got some lemon. Beautiful lemon, guys. We're going to pop this inside of it. Alright, like this. Alright, squeeze that beautiful juice into it. So, grandma, today we're not going to put no brown sugar in this thing. Trust me. Alright, we're going to get another half of a lemon and squeeze it out inside of it. Alright, just like that. Alright, grandma, this is what's gonna happen today in the kitchen. So, yeah, I don't know if you guys know how grandma stay, because our grandparents love salt and sugar and a lot of butter. 100%, I know that, man. My grandparents would kill you with that. Salt and butter and sugar and a lot of vegetable oil. Alright? Now, so what you want to do, just get yourself an orange. Alright? And squeeze it in there. Get that beautiful juice out of the orange. Alright? Yeah, look at that. Nice one. Alright? That's looking good. Get the other one. That off. Squeeze that, get that beautiful juice out of the orange. Nice one. Yeah. That's looking good. 100%. Alright? That's looking fantastic. And an amazing. Yeah. Then what we're gonna do next now. Alright? As I said, we are telling grandma that we're not gonna be using any sugar to the inside of this thing. Alright? We're gonna get some organic honey and sweeten it. See that? Look at that. That is lovely and fantastic and amazing, guys. 100%. Alright, let's see what's going on with it. Alright, let's try it and see. Yeah? This is perfect. 100%. I'm not even gonna say nothing. This is like 100%. When we said 100%, guys, not even 50, 100%. So basically, the secret behind it, and that's why I say you have to watch the video. You see the orange, what it do, it bring in another flavor to the carrot. Alright, try that recipe at home. Alright, and the ginger is just so perfect in it. Alright, yeah, it's a beautiful drink. And I will encourage you guys to try this one at home, alright? So now it is coming up to Thanksgiving Day. So a recipe like this will be working out very good for Thanksgiving Day. Alright? Yeah, so all you're gonna have to do is grab yourself some ice into the glass. Alright? 100%. Just like this. Alright. Yeah, and just like this. And like this. Alright. Yeah, lots of ice. Alright. So today we tell our grandparents we're not gonna be using any sugar in this thing. We're just gonna be using honey to sweeten it. Alright? Now, to be honest, this is how our grandparents love the brown sugar and the dark sugar. Nicole, nice to see you. Good evening. Thank you so much, guys, to every one of you guys take the time and watching this an amazing recipe. Alright? Please like the video. So this is what our grandparents will be using it. Too much of this doesn't good for you, alright? Sometimes it's better for you to cut down on it. But we all know that the honey, you have to be careful of honey also because, you know what I mean? So what you want to do, take your time and pour in this on an amazing drink like this. Alright? This is the way you have to serve this drink. You run it through your strainer back. Again. Alright guys, so if you're interested of making this drink, please watch over about the video. And it's easy. You might have said, oh Chef Ricardo, it take 22 minutes to make a video and what's so special about this? But yeah, it's a special time, you know what I mean? It's a time where you use and do this on an amazing recipe today, alright? It's a beautiful time. So as you can see for yourself, that is fantastic and an amazing. And all you're gonna do, alright, all you need to do now is this. You know what I mean? Simple. Alright, just grab yourself a piece of lemon and put it on top of it like that. And serve it to your guests. Serve it to your wife, serve it to whoever you want to serve it to. and definitely will enjoy that, guys. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. 15 minutes now I've been running this for now. Yeah, I know we got a lot of people watching the show. Thank you so much, 205 people. Really appreciate it, 100%. This is just an amazing recipe today from Chef Ricardo, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we can come up with something new. Please go over to my website, chefricardo.co.uk, and now you can get the Caribbean fusion sauce and spice tea. If you're interested in getting one of these tea off of their website, you can go right over to my website, chefricardo.co.uk, and you can get this tea right now in the UK. A lot of people have been asking for that. Secondly, here it is, soursop leaf. Fight against everything in your body. Alright, very good for the body. A lot of people have been buying this one. Thank every one of you guys who take the time and go to the website and purchase one of my soursop leaf, because we are spreading the good news that, soursop leaf tea is good, guys. When I was growing up in my country with my grandmother, Jamaica, I come from the bush in Jamaica. My grandparents always, I remember one time I was suffering with my chest, and my grandparents boiled soursop leaf tea give me for about 1 month straight, up to till this very day, and I'm a whole man now. Up to this very day, I can say, you know what, thank you, Grandma, for what you done for me. Soursop leaf is powerful, and a lot of people don't grade it for little or nothing, but it's one of the most powerful thing right now ever. And a lot of people know about soursop leaf. Please do your Google research. It's important for you to do your Google research. So go over to my website, chefricardo.co.uk, and you can get a lot of stuff over there. Also, here it is. You can get the Caribbean fusion sauce and spice teas over there. Alright, so support the Caribbean fusion sauce and spice and get them on my website. And they're also located in America, in the US. If you guys in the US, you can get it over there also. Easy for you. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Nicole, thank you so much for coming on, and members of my YouTube channel. The book is on my website. You can download the book, and the book can tell you how to detox your body and cleanse your body with some healthy juice. And this week we did 1 week worth of beetroot juice. Alright, so guys, if you did do the beetroot, thank you so much, and trust me, the beetroot juice was an amazing this week. Alright, I really enjoyed the whole week doing that beetroot juice. Next week we're gonna be doing celery. Yeah, girl, thank you so much for coming on the show. Next week we'll be doing celery juice. The following week we're gonna be doing garlic and orange. This is the one which I want to do with you, garlic and orange. That's the next week. The following week we're going to be doing this one, garlic and orange. Alright, so we're going to be doing garlic and orange the first morning, and then the second morning we're going to be drinking orange right straight through the week for vitamin D. Your body need vitamin D, and I'm cutting for it right there. I don't need to say anything else, especially if you live in a country which is very cold. You lack of a lot of sun. Your body need vitamin D. Alright, guys, and I'm going to cut the video. Thank you every one of you guys who are watching, and I will definitely big up my Facebook audience 100%. Whole lot of love and respect from Chef Ricardo over there. Alright, guys,